Did you know your Acura can improve over time, just like your smartphone? An over-the-air or OTA update allows eligible Acura vehicles to receive software updates wirelessly. These updates may enhance vehicle features, improve system performance, or deliver important fixes, all through a secure connection. Installing updates in a timely manner is important. OTA updates help ensure your vehicle systems operate as intended, maintain the best possible performance, and deliver the latest enhancements designed by Acura engineers. Delaying an update could mean missing out on key improvements meant for your vehicle. Depending on your vehicle's model year and trim, updates can be completed in several ways. If your vehicle is equipped with a telematics control unit, the vehicle is connected to the network all the time via an embedded phone module. If a software update is available, it may download to the vehicle automatically. Certain updates may require a Wi-Fi network to start the download process. Over a Wi-Fi connection, this can be completed through your home network or where convenient public Wi-Fi is available. Using a cellular hotspot, you can complete the update by enabling hotspot functionality on your mobile device, then connecting your Acura through the infotainment display. Utilizing the CHOTA network at your preferred Acura dealer. Simply park and connect to the CHOTA secured dealership network through your infotainment screen. If any of the self-serve options do not meet your needs, you can schedule a service appointment and have your vehicle's software updated at your preferred Acura dealer using their secure internal network. TCU-equipped cars will automatically be notified of an available update. If your vehicle is not equipped with a TCU, we recommend connecting to a Wi-Fi network periodically to check if there are any available updates. You will be notified of a new update through your infotainment screen or in the Acura Link application. Update steps vary by vehicle. Some models allow updates through the Acura Link app. Depending on model year and trim, updates may be completed in accessory mode only or may require the engine on or ready mode. Not sure which process applies to your Acura or unable to install an update? Check out our high-level reference guide featuring a simple matrix that shows the download and installation requirements for each model. Visit Acura Canada's website or your local dealer to learn more.